Hello friends, today's video is for those who are about to retire or who have retired. But those who are in service, they also have to retire. It will be better if they also see it because the issues which we are going to deal are going to come for them also. You may agree or you may not agree. But when one is going to retire, many questions come in his mind. There is some little anxiety because there is going to be a perceptible change in the lifestyle. I retired somewhere in April 2016. It's now more than 4 years, and the kind of feelings, the perceptions I had. I read through the literature also. There are many studies, Harvard University studies also. And today, what we are going to talk is based on those experiences and the literature which I have gone through. You will agree that when we are at job, we are very busy. Most of the time there is a lot of work and there is a scheduled pattern of working. But after retirement, there is plenty of time. There is so much of time that one does not understand what to do or what not to do, how to consume that time. Another difference is there. When in a service, our life is very structured. Our whole day is very much structured. But after retirement, there is no schedule pattern. The life is not at all structured. The third thing, when you are in service, you have an obligation and a commitment to your boss. There are certain instructions given to you. There are colleagues, there are juniors. Then, because of less time, you have certain works, duties towards your family, your children, and your life is so structured and you're so committed. You have so many things to do that you don't feel there's any time. Whereas after retirement, there's no one to tell you what to do and what not to do. There's no commitment to your office, to your boss, to your juniors, to your colleagues. And because you have plenty of time, the commitment to your family also becomes very easy. You can do whatever you want. Another important thing to observe is that when your life is very much scheduled and structured, so is the life of your spouse and your children. Because you go in the morning and you come back in the evening, everybody has made his schedule according to that. It is so fitted in that. When you start staying in the home 24/7, then everybody's structured life also get changed. I won't use the word disturbed, but many a times in many families, that also becomes the problem. Another important thing which I have observed is that when you are in service, you deliver some deliverables and you get an income. So you feel your worth. That makes you feel your worth. In fact, you are the engine for your family. Even if there are other earning members in the family, your spouse or so, you are one of the important engines of your family, which has an important role to play. Because you're sitting at home, your worth somehow goes down. And slowly what will happen, your outer family also, your society also, your peer group also, that your worth, and you will start feeling that your worth is going down. And you will feel that I am not worth that much as I used to be. Because whole day you are at home. Somebody feels you must have some activity, so why don't you go and bring some vegetables? Somebody will say, okay, let us take these kids to school and collect them when they come back. You may not like it, but then you don't realize it. You said, what's the harm in doing it here? I am not doing anything. Slowly you also start believing in your mind that my worth is going down. You don't feel it, but you somehow it get embedded in your mind, and this results in your confidence level going down. You feel that, well, it's okay, I am getting old, I'm getting aged. So that affects your brain and also that affects your physique. Physically also, you start feeling that, well, no, this happens, so I accept it. And therefore, I say that it is very important to plan for it. You have to be engaged. Your value is much high now because of your wisdom and experience. When you entered the job market, you were only educated. Now with 30-40 years of experience, your wisdom has increased, and after retirement, you are much more wiser and much more capable of things. In fact, while in service, we are like a frog in the well because you are so engaged in your office works that with all that wisdom you can't do anything. And you must think that when you retire with all that wisdom and experience, it is now starting of a new life, a new career. Because with all that potentialities, you can do marvels. If that seed is planted in your head, and if you are able to plant that seed in your head, and it takes roots and become tree, then there is no stopping. You will always be happy, you will always increase your worth. So what I mean to say that you must think about this, you must plan for it. Many people, they take up voluntary work, they take up some social engagement, some take up a new career, some take up teaching. What I mean to say that your life has to be structured and your brain has to be little stressed and challenged. A little challenge, a little stress to your brain is a vitamin which allows you to be always healthy and growing. This is very important. I don't say you take too much of work, but then it is important to think about it and plan like this. If you enter your comments, can start a good discussion and maybe we can chart out a better route. Thank you very much. Please do subscribe to my channel and push the bell icon so that you get the notification whenever I upload my videos. And thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.